Reggae Hill. I'm Teresa and I'm one of your cool bartender for today. With me,
I'm Evan and I'm your next cool bartender. And today we'll be making
Vibing River
for you.
So first, some ice. Next, I'm gonna pour some apple sour,
Then you have peach schnapps,
some vodka.
then a little orange juice.
Now we're gonna do that cool Reggae Hill shake. Now after that cool Reggae Hill shake, I'm gonna pour. You have it, Vibing River. Enjoy!